Let's figure out this quiz really quick. Now, first try of this quiz. Now, a video production company wants to use machine learning to categorize event footage but does not want to train its own machine learning model. Which option can help you get started? Pre-trained APIs. Next, which of the TF-Keras is a high-level TensorFlow library that has been commonly used to build machine learning models? Which of the following lets you create a neural network with multiple layers? Should it be sequential? Or this one? Model fit? Okay, let's stick to the sequential. Next, you work for a global hotel chain that has recently loaded some guest data into BigQuery. You have experience writing SQL and want to leverage machine learning to help predict guest trends for the next few months. Which option is the best? BigQuery, machine learning. Okay, next. Which code-based solution offered with Vertex AI gives data scientists full control over the development environment and process? Should it be AI platform or AI solutions? AI platform. Okay, next. Which of the following can you do with Neutral Language API? Analyze sentiment and identify subjects of text. Now, next one is you're a company, have a massive account of data, and you want to train your own machine learning model to see what insights machine learning can provide. Due to resource constraints, you require a codeless solution. Which option is best? Auto machine learning. Okay, let's try that. Okay, and we did that correctly, except this one. Okay, let's try again. Okay, TF-Keras is a high-level TensorFlow library that has been commonly used to build machine learning models. Okay, TF-Keras sequential is the answer for that. Next, you work for a global hotel chain. You have experience writing SQL. The BigQuery machine learning is the answer for that question. Next, which of the following can you do with the Neutral Language API? And for that one, the answer is analyze sentiment and identify subjects of text. Next, which code-based solution offered with Vertex AI gives data scientists full control over the development environment and process? Is it custom training? It can be. Okay, a video production company wants to use machine learning to categorize event footage but does not want to train its own machine learning model. Which option can help you get started? The pre-trained APIs. And your company has a massive amount of data and you want to train your own machine learning model to see what insights machine learning can provide. Due to resource constraints, you require a codeless solution. Which option is the best? Auto and ML. And that's true, we did this quiz for 100%, and now we can move on. Okay, in this section there is a discussion about the machine learning workflow using the Google Cloud's Vertex AI that highlights three main stages that are data preparation, model development, and model serving. It emphasizes two approaches to setting up the workflow. One is auto machine learning for a no-code solution, and then coding with a Vertex AI workbench or a Colab for more experienced machine learning professionals. And that's it. Thanks a lot. Now let's come to the next section. And okay, in this section we learn about data preparation that involves uploading and preparing data from various sources like cloud storage and BigQuery, followed by feature engineering to enhance data quality for model training. These subsequent stages... No. Okay, never mind. Yeah, whole text. Easy. Okay, and for that part we discussed the second stage of the machine learning workflow, which is model development, that emphasizes the model training and evaluation. And in this stage, this stage involves specifying the dataset, defining the training objective such as regression or classification, choosing between auto machine learning or custom training methods, and configuring training details like feature selection and budget. Now, in this video, we learn about model serving, which is the final stage of the machine learning workflow that involves deploying the trained model for real-time prediction or batch processing. Provided for the Vertex AI pipelines and Vertex AI Workbench support automation and monitoring of these processes, enhancing scalability and reliability in machine learning deployment scenarios. Now, in this section we learn about machine learning operations, in short MLOps, that integrates machine learning development with operations akin to DevOps to automate and monitor the machine learning workflow, ensuring continuous integration, training, and delivery. Vertex AI Pipelines supports this by offering Kubeflow pipelines and TensorFlow Extended for building and managing machine learning pipelines, catering to various needs from experimentation to production deployment. And that's all for this video. Thank you for selecting this educational content, and if you wish to see more of that, please consider leaving a like and subscription. See you!